Today, we're reviewing Yandex DataLens, a powerful business analytics and data visualization tool that's designed to make sense of complex data in an easy-to-understand format. Whether you're managing big datasets, creating detailed reports, or looking to gain deeper insights into your business, Yandex DataLens provides the necessary features to streamline that process. Let's start with the user interface. It's clean and intuitive, making it accessible even to people who might not have a strong background in data analytics. You can easily import data from various sources like Yandex, Metrica, Google Analytics, and even Excel files, giving you great flexibility. Setting up dashboards in DataLens is also straightforward. The platform offers drag-and-drop functionality for creating interactive dashboards, and you can customize the visualizations to fit your needs. Charts, graphs, and tables are easy to manipulate, and you can create multiple views for different types of users. The most useful feature is its real-time data analysis. If your business operates in a fast-paced environment, you'll appreciate how quickly you can see changes in your data without waiting for hours for updates. Not everything is perfect though. While the platform is powerful, there is a learning curve when it comes to more advanced features. Some users may find the tool's data transformation options a bit confusing at first. It's also worth mentioning that while Yandex DataLens is great for integration with other Yandex services, it doesn't support as many third-party integrations as other platforms like Tableau or Power BI, which could be a deal-breaker for some companies. But overall, Yandex DataLens shines at its simplicity and flexibility. It offers a great way for businesses to visualize their data without the hefty price tag that comes with some of the more complex analytics tools out there. The platform is continually updated, and Yandex offers solid customer support, which is another bonus for users. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. If you're on the hunt for a data analysis tool that balances simplicity and power, Yandex DataLens is definitely worth considering. Its combination of ease of use and deep functionality makes it a solid choice for anyone in need of business intelligence software. Whether you're running small reports or large-scale data analysis projects, it's an option that delivers. Don't forget to like the video if you found this review helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.